ተመልካቾች እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ። welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how to edit and upload videos to YouTube. እንዴት ነው ኤዲት አድርገን ወደ ዩቲዩብ አፕሎድ የምና ከዛስ በኋላ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? what after uploading እስከዛ ድረስ እናያለን። ስለዚህ stay with me until the end እስከ መጨረሻው ከኔ ጋር ቆዩ። Let's go. To do that we must first open CapCut software where we edit and export our videos that we created. CapCut እንከፍታለን. This is CapCut icon. We have to open it first. Double click. Wait until the CapCut software is open. አሁን ተከፍቷል። እንግዲህ ይሄ CapCut ሶፍትዌራችን ነው። This is CapCut software where we edit our videos and export የምናደርገው እዚህ ላይ ኤዲት አድርገን ከጨረስን በኋላ ነው። እነዚህ these are the projects that have already been done on CapCut. CapCut saves much more videos until we delete or remove from the system or the software. ከሶፍትዌሩ እስከምናስወግድ ድረስ ሶፍትዌራችን ይሄ እንግዲህ ብዙ ቪዲዮዎችን ሴቭ አድርጎ ይዝልናል። So we open the CapCut editing interface by clicking on plus sign. እዚህ ጋር create projects በሚለው ላይ ክሊክ አድርገን የCapCut editing ሶፍትዌርን እንከፍታለን። plus we wait until the editing interface is ready to go. ይሄ መጥቶልናል። this is our CapCut editing interface. የCapCut editing interface ነው እንግዲህ ይሄኛው። This is a timeline where we cut, trim, and add texts and effects on the videos that we imported from the file where we saved ካረግንበት ወደዚህ ነው የምናመጣው። So we find the file to export first. import እንላለን. We select among the file that we saved that we are going to edit ልናደርግ የፈለግነውን ፋይል እንመርጣለን. let's choose this file for the time being, or I can choose this file for the time being. Let me choose this file for example. I click on the file. በፋይሉ ላይ ክሊክ አደርጋለሁ. then open. The file imported to CapCut. Then I click plus sign, bring it to editing timeline. Here when I click on plus sign, the file will be ready on the timeline where we cut, edit, trim, add text and so on. ስለዚህ ይሄ መጥቶልናል እዚህ። I wanted to upload short format video to YouTube, for example, short format. በshort format ነው የፈለኩኝ. So I can edit it to short format. ወደ short format edit ማድረግ እችላለሁ ማለት ነው. So the short format of a video is 60 seconds or less than 60 seconds, starting from 27 seconds to 60 seconds. ስለዚህ 60 second የሆነ ቪዲዮ እዚህ ላይ ክሬት አደርጋለሁ ማለት ነው. I take about 60 seconds of this video. I have to minimize the audio range. So I wanted to take 60 seconds of this video. የዚህም ቪዲዮ 60 ሰከንድ ወስዳለሁ. less than 60 or 60, 57, 58 is enough. So what I can do is here I can delete the right part of this file or split the file and finally delete. I can make both turn by turn, either of the two, whichever I like. Split, the file is splitted to the right and to the left. I can delete the files that I don't want to take to YouTube and I edit the left of the file. የቀረውን ፋይል ኤዲት አደርጋለሁ. or let me undo, or I can delete the right part of this video. Let me delete by this icon. I can use either of the two. So I left with 60 seconds video file. በ60 ሰከንድ ቪዲዮ ፋይል እዚህ ላይ እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ I must change this aspect ratio, the short form of aspect ratio, the short format of aspect ratio is 9:16. So I made it 9:60 by changing this aspect ratio. Aspect ratio በመቀየር ይሄን አድርጌያለሁ። I have to rotate this to vertical. I rotated it to vertical. ይሄው ሮቴት አድርጌያለሁ። So this is short format of short video. So I can run it. እንደዚህ ረን እያደረግን እናያለን ማለት ነው። ሾርት ፎርም ስትሰሩ እንግዲህ በዚህ አይነት መልኩ መጀመሪያ ከት ማድረግ አለባችሁ። የሚጨምሩት ቴክስቶች you can add texts on the video. Let me add one text on this video. Text. This is default format of the text. So I have to write, for example, watch full video. I wrote it. I have to change this effect because the background color is white, that the default color is not seen. So effect, I have to change the color of this text. Watch full video. I have to wait until the effects are visible. I can select among this, or I can select among these text effects or select other effects by dragging down this. I wait until the effects are visible. እስከሚታዩ ድረስ ጠብቃለሁ። So I can select among this. If I select this, I see the visibility of this effect. It is not as such visible. So I have to select another effect that is perfectly visible. በደንብ የሚታየው መምረጥ አለብኝ። If I select this, it may be visible. It is not as such visible now. ይሄን ያህል visible አይደለም፣ አይታይም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ I have to continue selecting the text effects. This is not visible. This is better. I have to enlarge it. Watch my full video. I have to also use arrow, for example, found in emphasis. So arrow, I can put arrows here. I have to position the text and the effects. እነዚህም በማድረግ እንደዚህ ማስተካከል ይቻላል። ይሄ አሁን አጭር ፎርማት ነው፣ የሾርት ፎርማት ነው፣ ቨርቲካል ነው። በዚህ አይነት መልኩ አዘጋጅቻለሁ። So I run the video to see what it looks like. This is nice. I can add call to action, that is like, share, and subscribe call to actions to this video. I select from icon ከሚለው ውስጥ ነው። I can select either this or this. Let me make it this. This is like, share, and subscribe call to action. I can add audio to the call to action, sound effect, the mouse click sound effect. I have to find it. It's better to make it sense. ያው ማውዝ ክሊክ አይነት ብንጨምርበት በጣም ሴንስ ይሰጣል ማለት ነው። አንድ ሰጠሁት። ሲጨርስ እንትን ማድረግ እችላለሁ። ኤክስፖርት ማድረግ እችላለሁ። ሲጨርስ ራሱ እንግዲህ 60 ሰከንድ ላይ ሲደርስ እንትን ይላል። አሁን ቆሟል። በቃ 60 ሰከንድ it is less than or equal to 60 seconds. Export the video. I give the name for this video. Let's say, for example, the name of the video is what AI used before that we are going to upload to YouTube. We must edit and format this also. This short format 1080p recommended. H264 is right. This is MP4 30 frequency per second. We can make it 60 also, but 30 is good. Let us make it 60 fps ብናደርገው then export. The file is being exported to C document. ወደ C document ነው የሚሄደው። በኋላ እዛ ላይ we go there where file is saved and take that file to our YouTube channel. ወደ YouTube ቻናላችን ከዛ ነው የምንወስደው። let it finish exporting. export እያደረገ ነው still. some seconds are left to finish exporting. export ለማድረግ እንግዲህ ትንሽ ሰከንዶች ይቀራሉ። we have to wait for the file to be exported fully. እስከ መጨረሻው exported እስከሚሆን ድረስ መጠበቅ ይኖርብናል። then we take that file to our YouTube channel and we are going to look at some features that you have to set after uploading videos to YouTube channel. ወደ YouTube ከወሰድን በኋላ እዛ ውስጥ ደግሞ ሴታፖችን መስራት ይኖርብናል። this is what I am going to share you. ሼር ላደርጋችሁ የፈለኩት ይሄን ነው. for those who are new to uploading videos to YouTube እንግዲህ አዲስ ለሆናችሁ ነው. this is for the basic YouTube video uploading members. ወደ YouTube upload ለምታደርጉ ሜምበሮች ነው ይሄ። the file is still uploading. እንግዲህ እንዲህ ከወሰድን በኋላ አፕሎድ እያደረገ ነው፣ እየጨረሰ ነው። ኤክስፖርትድ ሆኗል። አሁን ኦልሞስት እያለቀ ነው። እንግዲህ አሁን ዩቲዩብ እንከፍታለን። ኦን ፋየርፎክስ ኦር ክሮም ሊሆን ይችላል። እናንተም ብራውዘር እናንተ በምትጠቀሙት ብራውዘር ላይ ዩቲዩብ ትከፍታላችሁ። ዊ ኦፕን ዩቲዩብ እንከፍታለን። ቻናላችን ማለት ነው። ዊ ኦፕን አወር ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ፈርስት። ዩቲዩብ ስቱዲዮ ላይ ክሊክ አደርጋለሁ። then content. I wanted to upload this video on short form video. ወደ ሾርት ፎርማቱ ነው መላክ የፈለኩት አፕሎድ ማድረግ የፈለኩት። I click on short and select the short format of the video. then create video እንላለን። then upload ካልኩኝ በኋላ we select the files that we are going to upload from the storage among the files stored on storage. so select from files. ፋይሉ እንግዲህ C+ ላይ ነው የተቀመጠው። ይሄ እንግዲህ ይሄ የተቀመጠው C ላይ ነው። በራሱ በዲፎልት መጥቶልናል፣ ግን ያለ ማሳየት ስለፈለኩ ነው። C ላይ ነው የተቀመጠው። እዚህ ላይ ነው የተቀመጠው። these all files are on this local disk C ላይ ነው ያለው። ስለዚህ we have to select among the files what AI used to, the name of the file. We have to drag down to find what AI help us. The file is this file ይሄ ነው። select the file and open እንላለን ማለት ነው። this sending it to YouTube. then next we click on next. Next, again, next, we must not make it public in the first place. We have to make it private. ምክንያቱም ገና የፋይሉ ኔም ልንቀይር እንችላለን። የዩቲዩቡን የቪዲዮውን ስም መቀየር ልንፈልግ እንችላለን። we might need to change the title or the name, the topic of the video. We might going to edit the video description, and we are going to add tags. All these are remaining that we must not make it public. We must first make it private. Private ማድረግ አለብን። ሴቭ እዛ ላይ እንላለን። we wait until the file is finished uploading and uploading process or pass the YouTube's checking. ቼክ ይደረጋሉ። በፋይሎች ወደ ዩቲዩብ አፕሎድ ሲደረጉ ቼክ ይደረጋሉ እና እነዛ ፕሮሰስ ማለፍ መቻል አለበት ቢፎር ዊ ፐብሊሽ ዘ ፋይል። ፐብሊሽ ከማድረጋችን በፊት ያንን መጠበቅ ይኖርብናል። ዊ መስት ኖት ክሎዝ ዘ ፋይል። እንግዲህ እየጨረሰ ነው። ኖ ኢሹ ኢዝ ፋውንድ ይላል። ምንም ኢሹ የለበትም ይላል። በዩቲዩብ ቼክ ተደርጎ ማለት ነው። አፕሎድ ያደረግነው ቪዲዮ ዊ ካን ክሎዝ ኢት፣ ክሎዝ ማድረግ እንችላለን። ናው ዘ ፋይል ኢዝ አፕሎድድ። ይሄ እንግዲህ አፕሎድድ ሆኗል ወደ ዩቲዩብ። ስለዚህ ፕራይቬት ላይ ነው ያደረግነው። ዊ ሜድ ኢት ፕራይቬት ፎር ዘ ፈርስት ታይም አንቲል ዊ ፊኒሽ ኤዲቲንግ ዲ ስቱዲዮ ሴትአፕ። የስቱዲዮ ሴትአፑን ኤዲት እስከምናደርግ ድረስ ፕራይቬት ነው ያደረግነው። ስለዚህ we have to change the title. We can ask it from ChatGPT to give us a video title on this content. We can say በዚህ ኮንቴንት ላይ ይሄን አይነት እንትን ስጠን ብለን ቻትጂፒቲን መጠየቅ እንችላለን። ስለዚህ በዛ መሰረት ኤዲት አድርገን ቪዲዮአችንን ፉል እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው። ሙሉ የተሟላ ቪዲዮ እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው። we can write either by ourselves the video title. This is the title that already made setup, so this cannot be fit for actually the channel is digital video tutorial channel, but the name of the video that set up here cannot fit with the videos that we have uploaded. አሁን አፕሎድ ካደረግነው ጋራ ፊት አያደርግም። ስለዚህ we must change this that fits to the specific video. So we can take this from ChatGPT, or either we can write what we uploaded is about the YouTube video editing and uploading. This title says a content creation workflow explained. Almost it is not good, but it is not as much as such fit with the videos that we have uploaded now. አሁን አፕሎድ ካደረግነው ጋራ ብዙ ማች አያደርግም። the other is the description part. We have to check the description part as if it is fit with the video. AI tools, content creation, YouTube growth, digital productivity. Digital productivity, it does not exist in the video that we created. Online skill, so it is almost nearer to the video theme. Creative workflow, it may be, but we have to change the description part, asking from ChatGPT, or we have to edit it. This is video editing. We can say it video editing. Video editing ማለት አለብን። ሌሎቹ we can see others. Subscribe practical digital skill tutorial and AI learning content. It can be fit for the video. This channel digital skill AI tools, online content creation, it can fit. Learn practical digital knowledge, this can also fit. We can also change all the channel the video description by asking ChatGPT. Let us look how we can ask from ChatGPT. ከChatGPT እንዴት እንደምንጠይቅ እስቲ እንየው። So we can ask ChatGPT by saying, can you provide me? Can you provide me can you provide me, or we can create prompt first and give ChatGPT and ask. We can ask by clicking this, and the ChatGPT will give us the description, tags, and so on. We can take this all to our video. ወደ ቪዲዮአችን ይሄን በሙሉ select አድርገን we can select either from this, we can take this or this or this. We have to select from the given video titles. How to edit shorts in CapCut, like for export and upload to YouTube. This is one alternative of the titles that we gain from ChatGPT. CapCut tutorial for beginners, edit, export and upload YouTube shorts fast. This can also be the best title. How to make viral YouTube shorts using CapCut, full beginner guide. This can also a best title. For the time, let me take this title. I have to take this title, which is the best of the rest titles. Then to go to YouTube. እዚህ ኮንቴንት ላይ ፔስት ማድረግ ነው እንግዲህ ቀየርነውን ከChatGPT ያገኘነውን it is best title. I pasted. I also changed the video description with what I got from ChatGPT. I take out this. I have to delete some part of this. This is good almost. This is good. I have to change also the tag that is similar with the video context. I have to go to tags, find the tags. I delete all the previously set up tags which is not fit with the new video. Here is it. We finished. We can check some other setups. So save. ከዛ እንግዲህ ይሄንን አሁን ሴትአፕ አድርገን ወደ ዩቲዩብ ወስደናል። ፕራይቬት ነው ያደረግነው። ተምኔል ተምኔላችንን ካዘጋጀን በኋላ ፕራይቬት የነበረውን ወደ ፓብሊክ ሴትአፕ ቼንጅ እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ አይነት ቪዲዮ in this way we can edit and upload videos to YouTube. ወደ ዩቲዩብ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ አፕሎድ ማድረግ እንችላለን። እንግዲህ የተምኔሉን ደግሞ ለብቻ አቀርብላችኋለሁ። I will provide how to create thumbnails, good impressive thumbnails I can provide. Thank you for watching. See you. All right my viewers, ቪዲዮውን እንዴት ተመለከታችሁት? ያው እንደምትወዱት ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ይሄ ቪዲዮ especially for beginners, ለጀማሪዎች በጣም ጠቃሚ ነው። እንግዲህ for the next I will promise to provide a full content of how to create, edit and post to YouTube with all left features of studio setup. studio setup ፖስት ካረጋችሁ በኋላ ስቱዲዮ ውስጥ የሚሰሩ የራሳችሁ የቻናል ስቱዲዮ ውስጥ የሚሰሩ ሴታፖች አሉ መቅረት የሌለባችሁ። እነሱንም ጨምሬ ፉል አድርጌ አቀርብላችኋለሁ። ይሄን ቪዲዮ ኮሜንት አድርጉ። if you like this video, share it to your friends, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will be reminded with new videos that I release አደርግ ያው ወዲያው እንዲደርሷችሁ የደወል ምልክቱን ተጫኑ። ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር በማድረግ የዩቲዩብ ቻናሌ ቤተሰብ እንደምትሆኑ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። This is for today. See you in the next.